Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials, all around the world, listeners. I sent Dr. Rakesh from USA. Welcome all. Today, now and here, your presence is really praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. You are providing your valuable and precious time in listening the word of truth. It is extremely difficult to find appropriate words to narrate the worldly eloquence and esteem of great saints, the most reverend Beprava Shah Mastana Ji Maharaj. A brief biography of the most reverend His Holiness Shah Mastana Ji Maharaj. The great saint adorned the vicinity of village Kotra, Tehsil Gandhe, in the state of Kulayat, means Balochistan. He had been a blessed son to his respectful father Shri Pilamal Ji and pious mother Shrimati Tulsabai Ji. Prior to his birth, Shri Pilamal Ji had 4 daughters. He had the urge to save a male child, and for that he requested many prophets to seek their blessings. It was a surprising coincidence that the Reverend Mother Shrimati Tulsabai Ji came across a religious priest who had the insight to foresee the coming generation. She prayed for a male issue in the family. The priest made a great but strange prophecy that although she would be blessed with an extraordinary male issue, he would not stay with the family for a long time. The parents reconciled with the prophecy. The auspicious parents were blessed with the distinguished son of the full moon day of Kartik 1891, means Vikram Samvat 1948. Thus Mastana Ji Maharaj alighted from his eternal abode. In the true sense, such great souls descend in this world of vices with a significant message from the Almighty for the welfare of humanity. The first worldly name of Beprava Shah Mastana Ji Maharaj was Shri Khemamal Ji, but Maharaj Baba Sawan Singh Ji adorned him the present respectable name. The Reverend Father of Shen Shah Mastana Ji, aunt a sweet shop in the village. When his father was busy elsewhere, Mastanaji was assigned the task to look after the business, but he used to distribute the sweets to the sadhus and the people with religious aptitude. From the early childhood itself, he had developed a great regard for the religious priest and a fair habit of regularly worshipping God. He used to devote a lot of time for the prayers, and for this he had built up a temple in the home itself, decorated with a golden idol of deity Vishnuji, Satyanarayan. Even with all these efforts, he was not satisfied. He wanted to achieve the eternal truth. Incidentally, he came across a wandering monk, means sadhu, who spoke candidly to Mastanaji Maharaj that he could not achieve the ultimate truth through external ostentations. He explained that God resides within every one of us, but He can be felt with the kind guidance and blessings of a perfect saint. This very thought enlightened Shansha Mastanaji to search sincerely for such a spiritual saint. He met a number of prophets and priests who were known for their devotion, but they had the knowledge of black magic, hypnotism, hatha yoga, etc. No one could evidently show the path of righteousness. Ultimately, the Reverend Mastanaji Maharaj reached Dera Vyas, Punjab. He felt contented and satisfied with the kind blessings and benevolence of His Holiness Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj. In reciprocation, Guruji was much pleased with the utmost urge or longing and devotion of Mastanaji. Such a respect and affection can be observed from the instance cited here. Mastanaji arranged a religious congregation and community lunch, means Bhandara, in reverence to his master, means Guruji, a religious priest of his village, who was envious of Mastanaji, had made up a plan to disturb the whole show. Therefore, he brought too many people to the congregation, but the utter surprise of the priest, every commodity for the lunch was plentiful and there was no dearth of food. It did not end here. Mastanaji gave away gold pieces and a lot of gifts to almost everyone present in the gathering, including those who had accompanied the shed priest. The so-called priest realized his folly. Later on, he accompanied Shyamastanaji to Dera at Vyas, Punjab. He bowed to the saint Satguru Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj. He expressed his desire to seek the benevolence to the rank of Mastanaji, but Babaji intimated candidly that the blessing of the ultimate degree can be conferred upon the chosen one only. He advised the priest to reply upon the prayers and recitation of Sadguru's Nam Shabd. In this manner, Mastana Ji Maharaj carried the honorable message of his master to the provinces of Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab, etc., and thus guided the ignorant masses to follow God's words as instructed by Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj. Mastana Ji Maharaj relinquished his home place and his belongings to stay at Dera Vyas. Finally, Reverend Baba Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj bestowed his eternal blessings on Shah Mastana Ji and pronounced him as the religious god, father of an agriculturally backward area with headquarter at Sirsa. Shah Mastana Ji stayed at Sirsa town, Haryana state for a short period. Later on, he laid the foundation of Dera Sacha Soda in 1948 AD on the outskirts of the Shed town. He persuaded the masses to follow the true and just path of spiritual emancipation. People of this area were advised to discard hatred, casteism, shun superstitions and hypocrisy, practice amity and brotherhood. He emphatically advocated that one can search eternal divine light from within and not through superstitions or pretensions. He unfolded the secret path of loving and living with God. One can cross over the oceans of vices and storms of disappointments through unstinted and unsustained prayer only. About 2 years ahead of Shansha Mastana Ji's departure for his eternal abode, he started thinking for his successor who could carry on the divine task. He entrusted this holy duty to Shah Satnam Singh Ji Maharaj after an arduous and thorough testing. It was on April 18, 1960 that the great soul merged with the divine light. So, a reverend saint is one with God. He is able to provide God's word or logos or true Varnatmak Naam, which acts as an elixir for the depressed soul